Okay, Mr. Harmless here, and we are working on problem number 1 on these exercises. Hopefully you tried this already. This one is missing a measurement that we're going to need, but notice we have a right triangle here, 3 and 4, and this missing side right here, we need that, and I'm just going to give it to you. It's 5. Okay. You could have found that by doing the Pythagorean theorem. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals that missing side squared. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. The square root, remember how to do this? We've done this multiple times. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 25 is 5. Okay, so we could have found that. All right, that's okay, because now we're going to find the surface area. So the surface area is the area of these two bases. We need these two bases, right? So one of these bases is this triangle. The other base is this triangle back here. Those are the two bases. So let's find the area of those two triangles. So area of a triangle is 1/2 times little b base times height. Okay, so the area of this triangle right here would be 1/2 times 4. That's the base of this triangle, times 3. That's the height of this triangle. Okay, it's just the base and the height of this shape. I'm just looking at that shape all by itself. I'm ignoring the rest of it. Right? I'm just ignoring the rest of it. I'm just thinking about how do I find the area of a triangle? That's what we learned in the last chapter. Okay. 1/2 times 4 times 3 would be 6. And there's two bases that are like that, this end and this end. Now notice I'm using the word base in two different ways. Base of the triangle, little b, base of the prism, the shape. When we do that, we usually use a capital B. And so one of the ways that we can write the formula for the surface area of a prism is 2 times capital B, that's the area of the base, plus, right, then we're going to find the what is known as the lateral area. That's just the area of all those sides added up. Okay, so sometimes it's written this way, sometimes it's written like this, 2b plus lateral area. Okay, so there's different ways that they can write this. But for your sake, I mean, a lot of times, I'm going to be honest, I don't use the formulas for the prisms because I'm just thinking about all those surfaces added up. I know there's two triangles. So one of them 6, there's 2 of them, so I multiply that by 2, and I get 12. So there's the 2 ends. Now, for the sides, I have 3 rectangles. Notice the rectangle on this side right here is 3 by 10. And sometimes I just draw a little picture. It's 3 by 10. It's 3 by 10, okay? Notice the one on the bottom would be 4 by 10. And then this one over here, 5 by 10. Scroll down a little bit. So 3 by 10 would be 30, 4 by 10 would be 40, 5 by 10 would be 50. And so the total surface area of this, so the two ends, there was a 6 and a 6, and then there's, right, these three sides, 6 plus 6 is 12, so we're going to do 12 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50, and that's what we're going to add up, right? So I think that's 132 is what that adds up to be. And so that's the surface area of this, 132 meters squared. So if you're paying attention, you know that I'm not really using formulas for the surface area of the prisms. I'm just thinking about adding up the areas of all of the sides. That's how I'm going to do that. Now, if you go, Mr. Holmes, I really need a formula for this, I can give you a more specific formula. I'm not going to do that on the videos because this is the way I'm going to do the video. I'm just going to stay consistent with the videos. But if you want another way to work these out, just ask Mr. Harms, and he will show you. Okay. Thank you for watching this. I hope that you got this right. Go ahead and try the next problems.